Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Rinse cucumbers and trim blossom ends to keep crispness. Pack jars tightly with dill and spices so liquid covers everything. Pour 2 cups pickle juice per quart, leaving 1/2 inch headspace. Seal lids fingertip tight. Why do this first? Immersion ensures even flavor and safe acid balance, so the brine contacts every surface immediately. Once done, invert jars for 5 minutes to settle air, then write them. Make sure to label with date so you track pickling time. Now you decide the method. For fast snacks, refrigerate jars for 24 to 48 hours and flavor develops quickly. For traditional fermentation, maintain 60 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit and burp jars daily to release gas. Make sure to taste starting at day 3 so you catch the ideal tang. If flavor is weak, add small adjustments, 1/2 teaspoon salt or a splash more pickle juice, because incremental changes prevent overcorrection. Once the desired sourness is reached, move to cold storage to slow the finish by cooling jars fully. Refrigerate quick pickles for up to 3 months or process for shelf stability up to 12 months. When serving, chill and slice as needed. Use leftover brine for dressing or marinade to stretch flavor. If something goes wrong, here's a key fix. Cloudiness alone isn't always bad, but if you detect any off-odor, mold, or sliminess, discard immediately for safety. If pickles turned soft but smell fine, soak in ice water for 30 to 60 minutes to regain some crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.